Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Desire to Learn with Pranita. So already we completed first part and now we are going to complete second part in this video, the souvenir from standard 7th English textbook. So let's start. So according to the Earth's calculation, on the moon there were 15 days of daylight and 15 days of night time. So as we know, the Earth takes 29 days to orbit entirely around the Earth. So that's why 15 days दिन होगा तो 15 days रात होगी. Because moon don't have atmosphere, so moon sky is black. But due to its revolution around the Earth, जो वो Earth के पीछे घूम रहा है, so that's why there is 15 days दिन होगा, then 15 days of night. The 3 days of the trip were going to be part of night time on the moon. So there was no light on the moon. So it's a night time of 3 days picnic, 3 days trip. Complete darkness होगा 3 दिन trip में. So let's see Saili and her friends first day of trip to the moon. One of the most important programs of the first day was Skywatch. So when we look at the moon sky, जिसे हम अर्थ के स्काई में मून, स्टार, सन, क्लाउड्स देखते हैं, वैसे they were going to observe moon sky. तो वो मून से दिखने वाला आसमान देखने वाले थे. On the earth it was usually foggy means usually we can say thick white cloud close to the land, so it makes difficult to see. And the star was seen rarely, means very few times we can see the stars, and only very faintly or we can say slightly अस्पष्ट हमें तारे अर्थ के स्काई में दिखाई देते हैं. There was no atmosphere on the moon. So atmosphere means the mixture of gases that surrounds, and moon पे gases का आवरण नहीं है. On moon, तो moon कैसे create हुआ है? So we heard that a big asteroid dashed to the earth, टकराया, उसके टुकड़े स्पेस में स्प्रेड हुए, कुछ दूर स्पेस में चले गए, तो some pieces revolves around the earth. So due to earth's gravitational force, that pieces attract towards each other and then moon form. On the dark background of the moon sky, the stars shone dazzling. Dazzling means प्रभावी, light. दिख रही थी stars from the moon sky. The most attractive means pleasing, मोहक view was that of the discs of the earth. Round, flat, गोलाकार, सपाट पृथ्वी बहुत सुंदर दिख रही थी. In the moon sky, चंद्रमा के आकाश में, the earth looked 13 times bigger than the moon in the earth sky. So the shape of the moon we have to increase 13 times, जो हमें पृथ्वी के आकाश में दिखता है. So उतने बड़े अर्थ, इतना बड़ा साइज का अर्थ can be seen on the moon sky. तो मून के आकाश में वो कितना बड़ा दिखता है अर्थ? 13 times bigger. It was also 17 times brighter, means you can see in the picture the earth looks brighter. We were on the moon, but from the earth हमें पृथ्वी से चंद्रमा, मून इतना ब्राइट नहीं दिखता है पृथ्वी से. So 17 टाइम मून जो अर्थ पे दिखता है उसके 17 टाइम्स ब्राइट जो है अर्थ जो है मून पे दिखता है 70. The earth light fell on the moon. So as in the night moon light fell on the earth, रात को क्या होता है? moon light fell on the earth. तो same way earth light जो है moon पे पड़ती है. The beautiful enchanting means very pleasing, very pleasant view scene made Saili and her friends ecstatic, extremely happy. वो अतिशय प्रसन्न हो जाते हैं. Now they fell asleep, feeling happy. वो आनंदी होते हैं, excited, very happy, उत्साही, and comfortable at the same time. So the first day they had best experience to watch the moon sky. So now let's see Saili and her friends second day of trip to the moon. second day's attraction was the circus on the moon. So their circus was arranged for students. One unique features of the circus was the sitting arrangement. So unique means we can say different. An important and noticeable part of circus was sitting बैठने की arrangement. The spectators, a person who is watching an event, darshak, were made to sit in tent, means in tambu. So that was very different than circus held on the earth. And circus was going on outside. High jumps and long jumps were the special attraction. So you will be able to jump 6 times high on the moon. As you can jump on the earth, हम पृथ्वी में जितनी जंप मारते हैं उसके 6 times high और long jump हम मून पे मार सकते हैं. Because the moon's gravity is weaker than that of earth. So if your weight is 100 kg on the earth, then your weight will be 6.5 kg on the moon. But your muscles are as strong as they are on the moon. So you can jump 6 times farther. So one gymnast, जो व्यायाम कसरत करने वाले व्यक्ति होते हैं, they already very fit and flexible. They can jump high than the average person. So on the moon, they jumped 27 meter high. They jumped 27 meter high. And that was really amazing, surprising and best experience for Siley and her friends. On the both the days, beside the main attraction, Akarshan, much time was reserved, most time was kept for visiting to go and to see the various settlements, the several vivid places where the group of people have built their bastiya and lived there on the moon. It was expected that the students should give उनका वक्त उनको देना है some time for self study by oneself, स्वाभ्यास. The teacher gave them the task, a particular work of writing an essay on how they spend their time on the moon, which places they visited, they went and they saw, what they observed, etc. What you notice carefully on the moon, that all amazing experiences they have to write down in essay. Siley and her friends had travelled. They saw all the settlements far and wide. They travelled over a large area on the moon and had done a lot of sightseeing. So उन्होंने चंद्रमा के बहुत सारे दर्शनीय स्थानों की सैर की, साइली और उनके दोस्तों ने. So now let's see Siley and her friends' third day of the trip to the moon. On the third day, their last day of picnic, the teacher took them to a place of historical importance, means place where some important event took place in a past. ऐतिहासिक जगह उसे हम कहते हैं. 100 years ago, 100 साल पहले, Neil Armstrong had landed at this place. His space shuttle had landed, उतरा था at this place. Everyone was looking forward to this visit of the historical monument. They are very excited and happy to saw this historical important place. It was the oldest place, बहुत पुरानी जगह, in the history of man on the moon. The first footprint, a first mark that is left on the ground on the moon by a foot of Neil Armstrong was preserved, means to keep in a good and safe condition. सुरक्षित संभाल के रखा था. On the moon land, beside the footprint was a great statue, a figure, मूर्ति प्रतिमा भी रखी थी. At the base of the statue, lowest part of the statue नीचे, वह carved, written, लिखा था. The first words uttered, the first words said, बोले गए शब्द, by human on the moon. One small step for a man, आदमी के लिए एक छोटा सा कदम. One giant leap of mankind. मानव जाति के लिए एक विशाल छलांग है, an extremely large or high jump of humans. So this first step on the moon of a man, and it was a big success for humans we made impossible thing possible. The next attraction for the children that they were going to wear the space suits, means a garment designed to allow an astronaut to survive in space. स्पेस में जिंदा रहने के लिए पहने जाने वाले गारमेंट्स. For the first time, then they were means students were going to roam, going to walk outside, experiencing, feeling, अनुभव करने वाले थे the gravitational force of the moon, because before that they were in settlements where gravitational force artificially maintained like earth, but now they were going to roam in moon's gravity. Be careful when you walk, dear children. Don't run or sprint, means don't run fast. You will fall. You will drop down towards the ground. The teacher was warning. So teacher told them to be careful before something bad will happen. But who was in the mood to listen? Students were so excited because first time they were experiencing moon's gravity. So they hoped. They jumped on one leg, jumped and ran around. They were enjoying to the fullest. So, buy ornaments, jewelry, gehna, specially made from the stones on the moon, very cheap, low in price, cheaper, costing little money than these available upalabdha that you get in the shops in the settlement. Cheaper is better, सस्ता बेहतर है. At least have a look. Turn your eyes and see. The roadside shopkeepers screamed, shouted at the top of the voice, buy sister, buy. So he insisted her to buy. I am selling these earrings really cheap, really low price. I am selling this earring. Saying this, he approached Sally. He came near Sally and displayed the sets of shining stones earrings, means he put shining stones earring in front of her to catch her attention. Sally suddenly, achanak, remembered her mother, brought back into her mind about her mom. माँ उसको याद आती है. Tomorrow they were to start on their return journey. They were going back to their planet, their home, and they were traveling to their home from tomorrow. So she had completely forgotten. She was not able to remember. वो भूल गई थी her mother. In the last 3 days, she was enjoying a lot on the trip to the moon. She felt terribly, very badly, extremely guilty. दोषी लगता है उसे because she forgot her mom. Buy this, sister. Don't think much. Cheaper and better. Take it. So that salesman, dukandar, convinced her to buy that earrings. Sally looked around. She saw all the sight. चारों ओर देखा. The other children had proceeded ahead. They were going ahead. आगे बढ़ रहे थे. Come on, give me red earrings quick. Sally wanted to go, so she took red earrings in hurry. घाई में उसने वो उठा लिए earrings. Sally pointed at them and asked, "What's the price?" She asked the cost of earrings. "Only 1,000 rupees," replied the salesman. So salesman answered to her, "Only 1,000 rupees." Sally immediately, without delay or without wasting time, paid amount, gave him money, took the earrings and catch up, succeeding reaching with her friends, near to his friends. So वो दोस्तों के पास अपने पहुंच गई. On returning home, going back to home, Sally told her mother very enthusiastically, means with full of excitement and interest, मम्मी लुक व्हाट आई हैव ब्रॉट फॉर यू. माँ देखो मैंने तुम्हारे लिए क्या लाया है. हर मदर picked up, take up the earrings. She exclaimed. She said loudly with surprise, "Hello dear. How am I going to wear heavy earrings? मैं ये भारी कान के कैसे पहनूं?" Sally immediately quickly realized. She understood quickly her mistake. Sally had purchased, she brought the earrings उसने खरीदे थे in the field of the moon's gravity. So when she returned to earth, its weight became more than double in earth's gravity. And उसने बाहर की दुकान से खरीदे थे. उसका वेट कम लगा था तब उसे. But when she came back to India and in earth's gravity, that earrings weight become too much. So her mother not able to wear earrings in ears. Translated from the story paid by Lakshman Londhe. So what we learned from the lesson? हमने सेशन से क्या पढ़ा? Conclusion: to develop curiosity amongst the students and to create interest in moon and space study, to make them ready for new adventures and think beyond imagination, to push them to know and learn more. It develops their comparison with their own planet, how you can protect your own planet, then to grow interest in space exploration, building the next generation of telescope, to know about rapid technology. So ये एक बहुत अच्छा लेसन है बिकॉज स्टोरी वे से बच्चों को एक डिफिकल्ट कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ाया गया है. So it is the best way to teach difficult topic through story. So best lesson ever, one of the best lesson. So if you like the explanation, then do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.